Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. So, if you haven't already, I would be happy if you click on the subscribe button and join the family. Today, I'm participating in a challenge called as Try It Tuesday, and this is hosted by Unicorn Dust Designs and Theresa BDIY. So this challenge is all about try making something that your favorite crafter has done it. So pick three of their projects and do it. Basically imitate it and give credit to them. So today I like something from Christy Creates, and she made three of the beautiful farmhouse projects. So I'm going to recreate those three projects. And yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. is my final reveal, you guys. I'm so excited to share these projects with you. And let me start with this cute birdie. And this one is inspired by Christy Creates channel, and then she did few of the farmhouse style projects. So I love this bird sitting on a box. So like you saw the process, all these are from Dollar Tree, and this is a wooden box. I just painted it golden, and then I distressed it with some of the antique wax. And this is the white bird, and also one flower. I just stuck it with a pearl in the center, and I distressed that too. And I'm very excited about this project. Let me know your thoughts on this. I hope Christy is watching and she's giving her feedback how this turned out as well. And also this is one of the cute farmhouse sign. I'm very excited about this. And like you saw the process, I painted white and I distressed the board with antique wax, and I wrote farmhouse-ish, and the burlap ribbon and the farmhouse ribbon and some greeneries and some jute cord as a bow. So I'm absolutely loving this, and let me know your thoughts on this as well. And the third one is that the plate decor. She basically had two plates and then attached beads in the middle, and I just distressed it, so I wanted to give that kind of a look. And I had a pedestal. I wanted to show the beauty of it, so I laid it on the pedestal and some flowers on the top just to give like a spring effect to it. So I hope you enjoyed as much as I did. So if you haven't already subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing, liking and sharing. And thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.